Well, welcome back. This is part two of this tutorial. Like I said, in the first tutorial, I said to you that this is going to be 10 minutes video on each part because of the ability or the space that YouTube gave to me as a new channel. Um, Again and again, this chap server YouTube channel. I've already made that introduction in the part one of this series of video. And then the stage we already install Apache, whereby we start Apache and successfully Apache is working fine for us, no issue. And then if for any reason if you cannot get Apache working, it might be it's having a port issue because it meant to be using port 880 or um, port 443. So if you cannot get it working, it could be you need to go to your Skype. If you are using Skype, then you need to make your way to this stage, and then just unselect this part in your Skype option. So how to get to this place? You click on option from the front, and then you get to this place, and then you click on connection, and then it should give you this setup. Okay, that's it. That's for that. Um, Now that we already have this Apache server running on our local machine, we need now to head up. Like I said, after we've done the installation, what we'll be doing is to create a folder like this. And then how do we do that? We just go to this place, and then this is the HT docs, and then we just need to double click to open. Inside here now, we want to create a folder. We just right click on this and then say new folder, and then we're going to call it Magento, uh, Magento, Magento site. So this is where we're going to install Magento. So just to check if our Apache is running, and our Apache can run a local, we can run web application locally. We can just quickly create an HTML page using this, and then we can just say something like this. Say uh, um, okay, this is this is going to be our new Magento site. Yeah, we can just add some HTML elements, say division, div, and then say style equal to um, color equal to uh, navy. Okay, navy, or you want to say color hash 009977, anything. It's just to test an HTML working on this, and then we close division, and then we can do anything. So just for us to save this, we need to say we click on save as, and then we go to that HDoc, and then this is our new Magento. Let's call it welcome.html. Welcome. Okay, let's put it .php so that we know that the PHP also is functioning. So we've created that, and then we can just say save, and that is save. And if we go to our local server, we can now come to this place and call on that page on our site where we're going to install Magento, and say and call my Magento site. So we're not getting the correct address. Let me check again. where do we save it? Yeah, this is okay. Copy address, come here, put that down there, put it there, and you don't need to put all those ones. You don't need to put all those ones. You just need to access it this way. You can see, this is the okay. Let me put it to the center so that we can clearly see it. So go to add style margin equal to 20 pixel auto. I'm doing this just to make sure that it's like that color is not coming out properly, so I'm going to change it to something 00FF33, and then I'm going to save again. Save. If I go back to that, I can refresh. Okay, still it's not working the way I want it to work. So let's just say this color navy, and then we say margin 0, and then put position relative. We put width. We said 800 pixel, and then we click save again to try it. We refresh the page again. It's not coming to the center. I want it to be at the center. Position margin relative. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Position equal to relative, and width equal to 800 pixel. We go there again, save, refresh. Yeah, you see, it has put to the center now, so we can see. So that shows us that yes, this is working. So once we know that that is working now, we need to go ahead and create our database. So how do we create our database again? We click on PHP admin database, and then we click on new, create a new database, and then we're going to call it Magneto database. We just create the database now, and after we create the database, we don't need to do anything. But if we wanted to do more, we can just add, because what we're going to be having now, our username is going to be root, and then I think the password is going to be nothing. So, but I would suggest that we create a user, and then you could just create a user by filling all these things, and then once that one is done, we'll then end up to come to this page to download Magento, and here's the address of Magento. So in this tutorial, in this part, what we are just trying to do is to make sure that our Apache is working, our PHP admin is working, and then once we know that everything working, this is the page, this is our website later, this is going to be our website. And then once that one is done, we'll come here to download, and then we're going to download either with no sample data or with sample data. But me, I prefer, I will be downloading the one with sample data. And once we download that, and then if we click on this now, we say download with that data, then we just click on download. But what you want to do when you get to this place, you have to register. You have to have a username. So, and then like we've done this one, we've installed Apache, we've created database, and now to install Magento, we need to register. So during the registration, that is when you're going to have your username, because if by the time you wanted to download now, take for example, if I select this, it will be asking me to enter my email. So this is my email, this is my personal email address, I've already created my account there, so you will need to create yours. And once you create your once you create yours, then you can easily download without any issue. This is going to be the end of this part of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're coming to this page to download Magneto straight away. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.